every living being reacts reflexively to sudden danger. Presave is based on this principle of nature. Presave opens up a new dimension in occupant protection. Protective systems are activated as a precaution even before an accident occurs. The vehicle learns to anticipate. There are already numerous onboard sensors which are able to recognize critical driving situations. For example, ABS, BAS, and the Electronic Stability Program ESP are standard equipment in every Mercedes-Benz car. Presave uses these vehicle data while networking active and passive safety systems. But when danger occurs, what happens to the occupants while the vehicle is trying to stabilize itself? How is the passenger prepared for a possible impact? Is everything done to give him the best possible protection if the worst should happen? The purpose of Presave is to provide preventive occupant protection, which uses the time between the detection of an impending collision and the moment the actual impact occurs. The first consideration is to position and restrain the occupants within the vehicle in such a way that the risk of injury is as low as possible during a crash. To do this, a wide variety of individual components work together. The basis is the luxury seat, which provides maximum comfort and convenience for the driver and front passenger. Presave uses the existing seat adjustments to ensure that the front passenger is brought into a more favorable position. For safety reasons, the driver's position is not changed. The restraint system reduces undesirable movements by the occupants by holding them more firmly in their seats. Presave is only activated if the car's dynamic handling control systems detect that the physical limits are being approached. If the sensors recognize that a collision is imminent, the seat cushion angle and backrest on the front passenger side are automatically adjusted to ensure that the airbag and seatbelt can operate with maximum effectiveness. While in the rear, the cushion angle of the individual seats is corrected, while the shoulder belts are tensioned to minimize any tendency for the occupant to slide sideways or be thrown forward in the direction of travel, and the sunroof is automatically closed if the danger of a rollover is detected. In the event of a crash, the pyrotechnical belt tensioner is also activated to take up any slack in the seat belt. The result of this interaction is that the occupants are placed in a more favorable position within just a few seconds, thereby minimizing the risk of injury. If no crash occurs, all these convenience features remain available to the occupants. Presave is a safety system with a great deal of potential. Daimler Chrysler will improve and constantly extend the functions of Presave in the future. During a crash, the side windows close automatically. Reversible, movable padding elements actively move the occupants into a more favorable position while absorbing any impacts at the same time. Mercedes-Benz opens a new era in automotive security with Presave, the precautionary occupant protection system.